I'm Vedant Modi. I'm here. I'm studying here at San Jose State University, studying graduates, and I'm doing opted electrical engineering as my masters. Basically, I will be doing masters in VLSI. That is basically the embedded part of an electric system. I did my undergraduate from India from a university called Gujarat Technological University. My bachelor's program was also from electrical engineering. I applied for 5 universities, out of which I got admit from 4 of them. I opted San Jose State University because it was, first of all, it was known second for it was ranked second for electrical engineering nationally, and also it is located in Silicon Valley. So there are more chances of electronic engineers job here because the Silicon Valley deals with embedded system, VLSI system, and all such things. Also, the student to professor ratio in this university is good, such that a professor can concentrate on each and every student. And
I see. So after your engineering, did you have any work experience?
no, I didn't have any work experience. I just graduated. I just did complete my bachelor's in 2016 and joined the graduate program in 2016 itself, and would be graduating and expecting to graduate in 2018.
Okay, so did you go for any GRE coaching?
I went for GRE coaching. It was from EEC, which is located in a city called Vadodara in Gujarat. I scored 300 in GRE, and also I took IELTS as my proficiency exam, which I scored 7 bands.
I see. So which all universities did you apply to?
I applied for State University of New York Binghamton, NYU Polytechnic, that is London School of Engineering, then University of Texas Dallas, University of Texas Arlington, and San Jose State University.
So where all did you have admission?
I got admission from University of Texas Arlington, NYU Polytechnic, and State University of New York Binghamton, and San Jose State University. I got rejected from University of Texas Dallas.
Oh, okay. So why did you pick this one?
San Jose, basically I took it because, as I said, that is ranked second for nationally if you consider all the universities for electrical engineering. Also, it is capital. San Jose itself is the capital of Silicon Valley, and Silicon Valley is a good scope for electronic engineers and also stuff. And also the professors to student ratio is good enough so that professor can concentrate on each and every student.
All right. So like, did you have any funding, scholarship?
No, I haven't yet gained any scholarship.
So your parents are sponsoring?
All funds are sponsored by my parents.
Okay, and like which are courses you have registered for?
For now, I've registered for digital logic design and synthesis, then linear system theory, semiconductor devices, and I would mainly focusing on courses which are digital side of any system, that is VLSI, digital VLSI.
Okay, so you made a lot of friends here. Everything fine?
It's just 1 month here in my San Jose State University. But yeah, during my classes and library hours, I have made many of the friends here, and it is really good. And also, professors here are friendly enough. So if you have any doubts regarding studies or anything else, they are helpful enough to help you out in all the circumstances.
I see. What about housing? Do you live close to your university?
Yeah, I just live 10 minutes away from my university.
And you share with your roommates?
Yeah, I share with.
So is that 2 bed 2 bath? Or?
2 bed 2 bath. Yes.
How much is it monthly approximately?
It costs total $3,000.
For 2 bed 2 bath.
Yeah,
and 5 of you are there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it goes to $600
per head.
Yeah.
I see. So what about your visa interview? Did they ask a lot of questions?
No, my visa interview was really smooth. Actually, when hearing the visa officer that I got admitted from San Jose State University, he didn't ask much of the question. He just asked me who is sponsoring your studies and what is the embedded system. Rest he didn't ask any questions.
Okay. So best of luck in your program and good luck. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Bye.